Today we have 3 short treatments that will help lift your brows, your jowls, and your whole face. Hi everyone, this is Darcy and welcome to the best skin of your life in 30 days, where I go over the Ziip app plan the best skin of your life in 30 days, showing real-time demos of all the days and also sharing with you guys my results. If you follow along on this challenge, you should see amazing results for lifting, wrinkles, and also skin quality, because the Ziip Halo has both microcurrent and nanocurrent to help with much more than lifting, and I hope you can join me on this challenge. And today is day 22nd. Day 21st was a break, and the treatments of today are the lift, brow lift, and jowls. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get to it. I want to say a couple of things before you do the treatments. Today is day 22nd and I've been really enjoying this challenge, and thank you so much for all of you that are watching. It's been a challenging month having to put up so many videos, but I'm quite enjoying it to do this challenge, and I'm also hoping that I can motivate you guys to do it with me, because you guys are my motivation as well. I haven't been sleeping well, but I look so much rested. I'm finding that I don't even need concealer anymore, and if you watch one of the first videos, you know what I mean. I looked pretty tired. My dark circles super bright, like I have no makeup right now. And even before I do the treatment of today, I already am glowing. I'm also doing a Ziip giveaway during this challenge, so make sure you like and comment in all the videos from the challenge, because I'm going to be picking a random video from all the 30 days to choose the winner, and the winner will get a Ziip Halo. Before we get started, I'll talk about the treatments of today and then we'll go straight to the demo. And today we have 3 amazing treatments. The first treatment we're going to be doing is the lift. And the lift treatment is only 4 minutes, and it's actually one of my go-to treatments from the Ziip, because it actually comes pre-programmed with your Ziip. So you don't really need to use the app, but you can also use it with the app. And the lift treatment is one of my to-go treatments as well, because it combines microcurrent and nanocurrents. This easy treatment will help you achieve a more lifted, sculpted, and glowing appearance in just 4 minutes. Muscle toning microcurrent and energizing nanocurrent work together to define and brighten your complexion. Ziip tips. Go. Immediate lift with lasting long-term benefits. Results: a sculpted facial silhouette with an all-over glow. Current, microcurrent, and nanocurrent. Intensity, gentle vibrations, and the level is easy. The second treatment is brow lift and is only 3 minutes long. This treatment softens frown lines, defines your brows, and instantly rejuvenates your eye area. You will focus your attention on in between your brows as well as your forehead to reframe your face and create an elevated look. Ziip tips. To lift and smooth the area from your brows to your forehead. Results: brows and forehead look defined, lifted, and rejuvenated. The current is medium level microcurrent, and the intensity is gentle tingling sensations, and the level is moderate. And the last treatment of today is jowls. This jawline defining, jowl lifting treatment is yours for the taking, especially programmed to tone your lower facial muscles. This strengthening facial defies gravity to create a sculpted silhouette. Ziip tips. Go. Enhance and lift your lower facial features. Results: a tighter jowl area, chin, jawline, and mouth. Current, medium to powerful microcurrent. Intensity, medium to strong vibrations, and the level is moderate. Now let's get to the demo. On a fully cleansed face, apply the Ziip gel all over, and today I'm using the Ziip Crystal Gel. Make sure you are on the Plans menu, select Begin Next Treatment, press the power button from the Ziip to start, and once the Ziip is synced, you can actually, guys, skip the intro. If you would like, you can always press skip, and that way it's going to go straight into the treatment. And the areas to avoid is the thyroid and also immediately under the eyes. So the Ziip is going to glow as soon as it is connected to the skin. And for the lift is also a free-form treatment that you can do it on the areas that you would like to focus more. And Melanie often just focus on the face itself, but you can also use it on your neck. I often actually include the neck, and I do this big swipe. It is a very short treatment, which, by the way, you can actually repeat if you like as well. Especially if you include the neck, you may want to do it twice. But I find that I get great results even just doing once, because it is a very quick treatment. It's only 4 minutes, and it's gonna beep when it's time to change sides. So you can do this big sweep that I do here, or you can follow some of Melanie's moves. She's focused a lot on the jawline. But it's a free-form treatment. And we can also do this move here, which helps to carve your cheeks. You can go underneath the cheeks, or you can also go hugging your cheeks. It is a pretty strong treatment considering, compared to the instant gratification, it's actually less strong than the instant gratification, but it does pack a punch. So even within 4 minutes, you should see an instant lift. And I truly love the lift because it also combines nanocurrent. So just avoid, I'm not including my under eye. It may look like it, but I want to make sure I show you that I'm stopping at the brow bone. Now you can change size, and I like including the neck. And I do like this big sweep here that I've showed you before in other treatments, where I start on the neck and then I include my jaws, my cheeks, and my eyes. And this is one of the moves I like doing specifically with the lift, because it's such a quick treatment. I like to just do like a big sweep. But also you can do this one, which focus on the jaws and the eyes. If your concern is the jaw area, you can spend more time in the jawline. But today we're actually going to be doing a jowl treatment as well, because it's 3 treatments for today's challenge. And I love that this combines microcurrent and nanocurrent, so you are lifting your muscles, but you are also working on your skin quality. So you can focus on the areas that you like the most, or you can do some other movements here for the cheeks, hug the cheeks. Don't need to push too hard, but you can do a firm lift here. You can see the eyes are instantly getting lifted. And it's a pretty short treatment, so as soon as it beeps, it will be done. Oh, you can include the lips too. You can do this. And the jaw. And I find that even with just 4 minutes, I do see a difference, but you can repeat it if you like as well. Especially if you include in your neck. There you go, it's done. I always get surprised that this treatment gives you such an instant lift, and it's one of my favorite treatments. I love, love, love. So now let's get to the second treatment. You're all done. The next treatment is brow lift. And to get started, select Begin Next Treatment. Make sure you press the Ziip power button. And this treatment, we're focusing on the forehead and the brows. Again, you can always skip the intro, or it was a very quick intro, so you don't need to. So she is doing this very cool bobbing here that goes 1, and then it pulls the first part of the brow, the middle part, and the tail ending. And that is the move. So that way you're lifting, but also helping with the forehead lines. So you go pull, pull, pull. You can do it slow if you like, or you can also do fast. And go up, up, and up. So you're lifting the brows as well as moving the forehead. And you can feel like it goes one vibration, another vibration, another vibration. That can help to be a guide for you if you want to keep up the pace. You wouldn't hold longer than the vibration. Or you can do a faster move as she's showing, like that. I like going with the vibrations. 1, the second vibration, the third vibration. That way you're kind of giving consistent lift. And we'll beep when it comes to the next side. You can see instantly lifted. So now let's start the next side, same thing. Down, up again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. And it's normal to feel some tingling sometimes on your scalp because the hair is actually conductive. So that is normal. It can actually help to stimulate the hair follicles as well. Let's see if you guys can see. There you go. 1, 2, 3. You can see I'm right under the brow. I'm doing a stopping on each vibration. And then come back and start over again. And this will help to lift your brow and smooth the forehead. I quite like the tingling on my scalp because that really helps with the hair growth as well, stimulating the follicles. I mean, it's not the same as doing microcurrent directly on the scalp, but there's no harm. It is a very quick treatment that you can just do it right before makeup if you need to kind of get a little more brow space. Look, such an amazing lift. I love it. So now let's get to the final treatment. Now select Begin Next Treatment and press the power button. And this will be treating the jowls. It's actually very strong current, and we're going to be going all around the cheeks here with this muscle to lift the jawline. So we're going to be starting here, up, right next to your nasolabial folds there, and hold until you have the vibration. When it vibrates, you're going to move and do it again. And hold right there. Do it one more time on the same location. Holding, pushing up the cheek muscle. And now we're going to move just a little to the side. Again, we're working on this area here to just lift this whole area. That way it lifts the brow. And then I'll do it one more time, just a little more to out. Okay, one more time. And now let's start from the beginning, but it's going to be a double down energy. You're going to feel a lot stronger. You may even feel on your teeth, and that is completely normal. When it vibrates, you do it again. Same spot. It's just the intensity. And then one more time. The last one now. Same spot, and we're going to switch sides. Now you switch sides, and then you start from the bottom here to the corner. And when it vibrates, you repeat this 3 times. One more time. So the cue is the buzzing. And just a reminder, and now we lift a little to the side. We're not in sync with the video, like the video does not control the device. It's just there to guide you. And now I'll move a little slighter again. So sometimes I may be a little ahead of her or behind her. Then one more time. And then we're going to go back to the first once it vibrates. Now let's go back to the first one. It's a lot stronger, like you can really feel it. It's not painful, but it is okay to feel it. And then one more time. It is stronger because it's dealing with a bigger muscle group. And then the last one. And that's it. And you can see my Ziip was getting a little orange glow. That means I need to charge my Ziip. So that is the treatment. So hope you guys enjoyed the treatment of today. We're all done. So press OK. And tomorrow there are no treatments, but I'm gonna wash my face and I'll be right back. I just washed my face and this is my instant results. I definitely feel more lifted and I'm loving my skin glow. Comment below if you're joining me on this challenge and let me know what are your results so far. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you on our next treatment. Bye!